Hey guys, welcome back to Office Advice. Today I'm going to show you how to delete empty rows in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes when working with Microsoft Excel, the tables you get can be quite messy and contain empty rows without any data in it. However, to be able to efficiently analyze the data, those empty rows need to be removed. But no worries, this is pretty easy to do. To remove all empty rows at once, you have to make sure to be on the Home tab and then click on Find and Select and go to Special. Here you select Blanks and hit OK. Now all empty rows are selected. Now you can remove the empty rows in two ways. The first way is to hit Ctrl and minus on your keyboard. Now you select entire row and hit OK, and all empty rows are deleted. The second way is to simply use the Delete button in the Home tab. Just hit Delete and all empty rows are removed. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and see you next time.